Have you ever stepped into a spa or walked past a blooming lavender field and felt an instant wave of calm? That's not magic, it's the power of scent. Essential oils let you bring that same feeling into your own home. Today, I'll guide you through the soothing world of these natural fragrances and how they can help you unwind and relax. Welcome back to SoulShower Studio, where we explore mindfulness and well-being. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll explore the incredible power of essential oils in creating a serene environment. I know how hard it can be to get started with essential oils, especially if you do not have the time or energy to dig deep into research. I'm here to help you start your personal journey into the world of aromatherapy. I'll provide you with information and a starter kit of essential oils that can easily fit into your daily routine. Just a quick note, the information shared in this video is not medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for health-related concerns. With that being said, let's dive in. First, what exactly are essential oils? These concentrated plant extracts capture the natural fragrance and properties of various plants. They're obtained through methods like steam distillation or cold pressing, which preserve their potent compounds. Essential oils have been used for centuries in aromatherapy and wellness practices to promote relaxation, enhance mood, and support overall well-being. The beauty of essential oils is how versatile they are. You can diffuse them into the air to set the mood, apply them to your skin with a carrier oil for relaxation, or use them during meditation for focus. Each oil has its own unique scent and benefits. Whether you're looking to calm your mind after a stressful day, or create a peaceful atmosphere for meditation, there's an oil to match your need. So why should you use essential oils? Research shows that certain scents can positively affect our mood and mental health. For example, studies have found that lavender oil can significantly reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, leading to feelings of calmness and relaxation. When you breathe in essential oils, they connect directly with your sense of smell, which is closely tied to emotions and memories. That's why certain scents can instantly make you feel calmer or more uplifted, helping alleviate feelings of anxiety or tension. Additionally, many oils also have gentle anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, helping ease the physical tension that often comes with stress. Incorporating essential oils into your daily routine can also enhance your overall self-care practices. Imagine unwinding after a long day with a calming lavender bath or enjoying a few moments of mindfulness while inhaling the uplifting scent of bergamot. These small rituals can significantly improve your mental well-being over time. Now let's talk about our starter kit of essential oils that are perfect for relaxation. For those wondering where to begin, one of my favorite trusted brands is Plant Therapy. They offer high-quality oils that are safe, affordable, and perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. I'll leave links to all the oils I mentioned in the description so you can easily explore them for yourself. Lavender. It is renowned for its calming properties. It's effective in reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil can improve sleep quality by increasing slow-wave sleep, the deep sleep phase where the body repairs itself. You can diffuse lavender oil in your bedroom, add it to your bath, or place a few drops on your pillowcase. If you only start with one oil, lavender is a gentle and reliable choice. Bergamot. This uplifting citrus scent balances stress and enhances mood. Bergamot oil is particularly effective when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. It has been shown to reduce feelings of tension and promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. Try using bergamot oil in your diffuser during your workday to create a refreshing environment. Or wear it as a personal fragrance by diluting it with a carrier oil. Chamomile. Known for its calming effects, chamomile helps with anxiety and sleep disturbances. Chamomile tea is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia due to its mild sedative properties. You can enjoy chamomile tea or use chamomile oil in a relaxing massage blend. When applied topically, chamomile oil can soothe irritated skin and promote overall relaxation. Ylang ylang. With its sweet floral aroma, ylang ylang is known to reduce stress and promote relaxation. This exotic scent has been traditionally used in perfumes, but is also effective in calming the mind during stressful moments. Add ylang ylang to your bath or use it in your diffuser to create a peaceful ambiance during meditation or yoga sessions. Sandalwood. This grounding scent promotes tranquility and mental clarity. Sandalwood oil has been used for centuries in spiritual practices due to its calming effects on the mind and body. It's perfect for use during meditation or yoga practices. Just a few drops can help center your mind and enhance focus. Frankincense. Historically used for relaxation, frankincense can help reduce anxiety levels and promote emotional balance. Its warm, woody aroma has been shown to lower heart rates and blood pressure when inhaled, making it an excellent choice for creating a calming atmosphere at home or during meditation practices. These 6 essential oils form a simple yet powerful foundation for relaxation. Think of them as your personal starter kit. You don't need them all at once, but having them on hand means you can reach for exactly what you need in the moment. With just a few drops, you can turn ordinary routines into calming rituals that support your mind, body, and spirit. Incorporating essential oils into your daily routine can be an incredibly effective way to promote relaxation and well-being. Whether you're diffusing calming scents at home or enjoying a soothing bath infused with floral aromas, these starter kit oils are here to support you on your journey toward tranquility. This is just the beginning of your essential oils journey. In our next video, we'll dive into practical tips and easy recipes, like a calming bath blend, a sleep spray, and a diffuser blend to help you make the most of your starter kit. Watch out for it here on the channel, or click the link if it's already available. And don't forget, I've included links in the description to all the oils we talked about today, so you can easily get started. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite essential oils? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content on mindfulness and well-being. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay tuned for more videos from SoulShower Studio, where we continue to explore mindfulness, holistic well-being, and ways to nourish your soul, one drop at a time. See you next time.